guys, Stork702 here, and there's a freaking thunderstorm!
I'm scared about
my frick! Look at this clouds. Look at these freaking clouds.
Dude, I'm about to cry.
Oh, did you guys just see that right there? Right
Yo, that
there.
Like every 3 seconds. Every second.
Dude, they're like 3 miles away, so that's not good. Oh, holy frick!
Dude, hold on. Yo, people, what would you do? Like literally right next to you guys. What would you do if lightning struck?
Run my
Put it
freaking ass
in
off.
the freaking comments down below, man. What would you do?
What would you do if lightning
or go to a house? I would run away.
Yeah.
I'm out, dude.
No, guys, put in the comments. What would you do if lightning, where is it, struck that car right there, like literally 5 feet away from us?
We would die.
Yeah, I know.
Blow up. I blow up this car too. Our bodies would be legit demolished.
Allah Akbar!
Gosh, run. Oh my God! Okay, I'm ditching. Bye.
Look at this black cloud. Dude, look at, bro.
It's the color of me. Look at me. Look at me. It's legit the color of my hair too.
Oh my God.
Not racist to
Yeah,
black people. Racist. Like not racist.
Oh, did you guys see that?
No, freaking racist.
This is gonna be like a vlog. A freaking vlog.
A thunderstorm.
Vlog. I'm just gonna be like, by the title.
YouTube.
You can already see it by the title.
The clouds look a lot better than theirs.
Crazy thunderstorms!
These are darker.
Like you?
Yeah. No racism, people.
Yeah. Sure.
Just remember. No
Hey,
racism.
I need to freaking get this. Now it's not vlog. As soon as I start vlogging, no lightning comes on. Literally.
I'm moving from the car. Bye. Where's the other side of the road? Bye. There's still a car right there. Oh, okay. You're safer.
Yo.
Let's go over so we can see them.
You guys need to see this, guys. You need to see this.
Yeah.
Dude, chill. Literally, every time, I wish you guys could see this. Every time I put the camera off, it just boom! Dude, tell me if there's a car, because I can't see.
Alright. Dude, this is even more sketchy. We're like even closer. Yeah. Dude, every time lightning hits, that tree is like lit up. What?
It's so hard to...
Oh!
There's some... This hurts me so much.
We die.
I'm not gonna die.
No.
Oh.
Why are we right next to a power box?
Why are they guys sitting next to a power box? Boy!
We don't know. I don't know.
There needs to be some more lightning in this.
Lightning!
Please, lightning.
Lightning.
Strike! Strike!
Pain!
Please.
Whoa!
Yo!
Put it on the out camera. Put it on the out camera.
I can't.
Okay, so, like, add the clips together.
I can't. I don't have video show on here.
Can you get it?
No. It's good.
This is, dude,
No.
you hear that? Do you guys hear that?
Yo! Yo.
That one was
Oh! Sketch!
That's sketch. Like, he goes
This
from every,
freaking
it goes
holds
here
my-
to there to there.
Guys, hold the camera. This hurts my arm like hell.
Motherfucking guaranteed it's not even gonna hit near us. Unlikely.
It hits the goddamn power box.
0 out of 100 not gonna hit us.
Dude, you know it's like a 0.1% chance it's gonna hit my lightning?
Yeah. That's why it's like a big thunderstorm. So like,
Big thunderstorms are gonna...
Seven, you hold it.
Don't!
I just ran over here. Oh my God. I'm going to the thunderstorm.
Dude, your iPad's heavy! I need a belt too! This is so hard!
No, they're coming. Stop the video.
No, it's good.
Hey, Dylan.
We're making a YouTube video! Oh!
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me in the eyes.
Hey.
High five.
You're gonna freaking punch me in the balls.
Nail polish. High five. Yeah,
Boy.
maybe we should go down.
High five.
High five.
Yo!
Should we go now?
Oh!
Should we
Wait!
I
Fudge!
put it on the ground and then look at the sky.
Yeah, we need to do that. No, we need to put it...
Somewhere. Like,
We need to put it like that so we could see the whole sky.
put your board there.
Yeah, put your board there.
Yeah, my
So it could film the whole thing.
Oh my God. Dude.
Oh! Dude, they got that! We got that! Oh my God, guys.
That's so sketch.
This is insane! Sketch, get out of the view. We need to put it...
This is probably the most safest thing. Yeah?
Here, Devin! Take your shoe! Take your shoe! Here, have your shoe. Guys, this thunderstorm is insane.
Huh? It's not even gonna hit us.
Chill.
It's not even gonna get close.
Oh god, I need to get this.
What?
Dude. Yeah? Dude.
I don't know that.
Huh?
I'm not looking at.
Why? Yo.
What happened to it?
Yo. Oh my frick, dude. Vlogging? Yeah.
That's Master's phone.
Yeah.
He grabbed it and smashed it. For no good reason. Why?
Oh my god. Did you get a haircut?
Not even gonna hit us.
You got a haircut?
Close.
It's horrible though.
Baseball is life.
That's kind of scary. Should we even
Yeah,
finally
Chad.
found your YouTube channel.
Hold up.
Finally found it.
I need to get some of this lightning on. Where the frick? How do I do this? Oh frick, dude! I need to get this. Look at these clouds. Honestly, I don't even know how to get it. Oh! Whoa! Dude! Chill, dude. Chill. Take a chill pill, please. Oh fudge. Oh god. Yo. Chill. Lightning, chill.
You fucking nerd. What if you like, huh?
What, to get struck by lightning?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just boom dead.
And
You can survive being struck by lightning.
barely.
Barely. It's rare.
No burn. Lightning doesn't cause like
It's been
No,
no,
but
burn the frick out of you.
It'll just shock the shit out of you. Yeah, you'll just probably pass out.
Or
You'll
die.
Yeah, it's 99% you'll die. Some people have lived though.
Yeah, and
But it's
dude.
like
Yeah,
rare.
but there's pictures of them like all scraped up.
Are you ready?
Ready? Hold up.
Yeah, Zach
So what-
said that okay.
Hit this water bottle quick. Let me try
I
it.
don't
It's
know.
too filled.
Alright, so Zach said what?
I don't know. Zach was like talking.
Zach said he's gonna talk about all of us.
Zach said he was talking smack. You guys are talking smack.
Hit this.
It's still up in my room. No? Have you ever saw like lightning go right next to you?
No.
Take it out of my room. Have you? No. Take it out of my room. I don't want it. It's not lightning.
Probably yeah. Yeah. Save it.
What does it look like? Is it an alphabet or is it
Ooh, fail much.
Oh, guess what I got
Water
today?
bottle
I mean,
flipping.
yesterday.
Another overboard.
No, my mom bought it and it should come tomorrow or Wednesday. I got G Fuel.
Gamma. I
got
had.
tropical rain, a
Let me
watermelon,
flip this.
fruit punch, and like
Gimme.
something else.
Why don't you have vid show?
Watch. I am the one that won your son.
Yeah. Why don't you have vid show?
I'm leaving too much water. Ready? I got you. I've got like too much water.
Why is it so wet on the floor?
Oh! You just freaking. Ready? Amazing miss.
I am the one. Don't weigh a ton. Oh my god, chill.
Lightning's the best.
Oh my god.
It's not even near us.
Yeah, it is. It's like 3 miles.
It's white and bright.
Dude. Freak at that.
Scary. Our show's like literally right next to us. That'd be so cool.
I've never tried tropical rain vid show.
It's new.
I like a
What is G
peach.
Mango.
It's in it peach mango. I love that.
Oh, I think that's what I got. Look. No, I got kiwi
Pink
soda.
lemonade's good.
Pink lemonade is.
Yeah, with me and Ryan. Did you feel good or was it?
G Fuel is bad. I'm kidding. G Fuel is fam. Hit it.
Hit it.
Too bad.
Those last two? Dude!
Hit it.
Don't
Hit
worry
it.
about
Hit it. Hit it.
Might
Hit it.
be red. I didn't know that.
Oh!
It's not flat ground.
mining vlog turned into MLG Water Bottle Flips.
Does my name be red?
Oh, so fammy.
Oh!
Can my name
You
be
got
red?
this, fam. You got this.
I'm blind.
White. Oh my frick!
Colorblind.
Whoa!
Stay still.
Yo.
Zach and
Yo, is
you,
it raining?
Zach and you said that you would be Brady, Devin, and Zach up in a fight all at once.
Whoa! Yo.
Is that true?
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
Answer this question.
Yes. That was him. Well, like, subscribe, comment down below. See you
Yeah, I feel it.
tomorrow in another vlog. Peace.